it's my turn to be the teacher and you are my student. Now sit down properly. Put your feet together. Sit down properly. Your hands put in your lap. And then at your back you should sit proper. Straight. You should sit down straight. And then a little chin up. Now time for learning. Learning is Why are you low-bat? Are you low-bat? You have to say learning is Mia, learning is fun. Okay, quiet. We have no mosquito here. Outside. Now time. Okay. Now what letter is this? Mia. Oh, say Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. Say Mia.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Say Happy New Year, everybody.
Welcome po sa birthday ni Mia. Thank you very much for coming. Relatives and friends. Ninang ng mga magaganda. Hello po. Mia, happy birthday to you.
I know we see you.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Binigay ka niya sa amin. And nag-uuma po yung aking kaligayahan na nandiyan ka sa buhay namin. Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
You don't stay there, baby. You stay here in the middle.
Stay in the middle?
Yeah, because we need to put...
Are you happy, Mia, watching video of your daddy and you?
Yeah, Daddy.
You are happy? Are you very happy? That is your video while daddy is still having a vacation.
That's what?
So happy? So happy you?
Stay on the middle, Mommy. Stay on the middle.
I stay in the middle.
Spell your name.
Mia.
That is letter I.
Very good, Mommy.
Thank
You're
you.
listening. I'm your teacher.
Yes, you are my teacher and I'm your student. Okay.
The pony. Pony's going downstairs.
That is letter G.
Very good, Mom. You're your student, and I'm your teacher.
Yes. Teacher Mia, what else?
I can't reach my house.
No, you don't need you. A teacher is not playing.
What's wrong with this, Mommy?
That is letter B.
What's wrong with this?
That is letter C. Teacher.
I'm your teacher, and you're your student, and I'm your teacher, and this is my name card.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and then learning is
Learning is fun. What is wedding?
yes.
What is the wedding?
The letter is letter B.
Sing, mommy, sing first.
Okay.
What is the wedding be? What is the wedding be?
The letter B sounds. The letter B sounds is B. What is the letter sounds of letter B? The sounds of letter B is ba, ba, ba. The teacher should always be you properly. Teach me properly, okay? Go.